It's been only a couple of hours since OpenAI announced its new model, OpenAI O1, is specifically trained and designed to spend more time thinking before they respond. The claim is the model can reason through complex tasks and solve harder problems than previous models in science, coding, and math. This changes everything, literally. Well, one of the claims on OpenAI's website is OpenAI O1 ranks in the 89th percentile on competitive programming questions, code forces, places it among the top 500 students in the US in a qualifier for the USA Math Olympiad. And also, the most interesting part is it exceeds human PhD level accuracy on a benchmark of physics, biology, chemistry problems. Well, this is insane. This is just the next level, and we were expecting it. OpenAI has been teasing this for a while now. Some believe it's the strawberry model because there was a running joke on Twitter where OpenAI for Omni couldn't answer how many R's are there in the word strawberry correctly.
The first example I have is very simple. This just counting the letter R's in a word strawberry. So let's start with the traditional, like existing model GPT-4o. So as you can see, the model fails on this. There are 3 R's, but the model says there are only 2 R's. So why does this advanced model like GPT-4o makes such a simple mistake? That's because models like this are built to process the text not with the characters or words. It's somewhere between, sometimes called a subword. So if we ask the question to a model, a question that involves understanding the notion of characters and words, the model can really just make mistakes because it's not really built for that. So now let's go on to our new model and type in the same problem. This is an O1 preview, which is a reasoning model. So unlike the GPT-4o, it starts thinking about this problem before outputting the answer. And now it outputs the answer. There are 3 R's in the word strawberry. So that's the correct answer. And this example shows that even for seemingly unrelated counting problem, having a reasoning built in can help avoiding the mistakes because it can maybe look at its own output and review it and just be more careful and so on.
With OpenAI O1, they have also released another model which is called OpenAI O1 Mini, which is expected to nearly match the performance of OpenAI O1, but it is going to be much more faster and cost effective. And it will do the same, it will think before it responds. So they have integrated the chain of thought reasoning into the system, into the model, which will improve how the models perform in the real world scenarios greatly. I'm super pumped. It is available for use for ChatGPT Plus users as well as Steam users, and it is available through API for developers as well. It's super interesting. It just happened like a couple of hours back. I couldn't wait to make this video. I hope you get to use it in the next few days. This is the next leap. I can't wait to see what happens with this model. What are the external use cases? What are the tools we can build with this models? It is getting better exponentially. Well, that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.